There it is. Look at that one, man. That's just like sitting in one spot. It hasn't made it all the way down to the ground. Kind of forming though. They're getting bigger than what it was. Is it coming this way? It's either getting bigger or it's getting closer. And it's getting well defined. Which way are these? It's like I can't tell. They're not really moving. Kind of just a suck hole here. See that moving? Look at the tail moving on that. That's like over by Kersey. That means it's got to be moving south. It's east of me, moving south. Look at that, look at that. That tail is now going down to the ground. There is a sharp line tail going down to the ground. Holy shit. No reports on this thing. Crazy. I think it's coming this way a little bit. This is about the weirdest tornado I've witnessed out here. That is pretty cool. I mean, I've had them come right over the house, but this thing is getting big. It is getting big. It is definitely moving south. It is getting huge. Look at that thing. Now the tail's going back up. That is crazy. I mean, no reports of it. It's just sitting there, man. It's not like really moving. It is just defined as heck, though. It's like got a that was crazy. It's barely moving. It is headed east, and it is headed south. But if it changes directions, it's big. It just has not reached the ground yet. From what I can tell, I mean, it's getting behind that oil battery. There we go. I've never seen one act like that. I'm surprised that they don't know about it, as there's a Doppler radar just about 15 miles from here. Look at that tail. That is crazy, man. And it looks like it's going to blow apart. Yep, there it goes. It just blew apart. Unbelievable. It just completely collapsed upon itself. There it goes. It's like going up into the cloud now. Like an alien tentacle. And there it is. Gone. Wow. That was freaking crazy.